y'all see it, man. We're tipping on through this old sunny Kansas City today. See my guy Sniper Steve back there, man. That's the Zoe back there. You know what I'm talking about? We got that Louisiana boy right there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. We're making do what it do. Get to the money. You like the money. That Sniper Steve, get to the money. You goddamn right. Already. Alright, we got Sniper Steve coming on up here. It's a little windy out here today. So if he execute it right, he gonna stop that deer guard right into the middle of this yellow bar. And that's what we gonna holler no goodness for. Ooh-wee. You cut that one kind of short, man. Sniper Steve, what's up, over? Hey, you leaving witnesses, man. Come on now. Alright.
Like are broken, filled to the manufacturer specification, and not leaking. The oil, the engine oil, filled to the manufacturer specification, and check with a dipstick.
The fucking windstorm out here, man. Get my mic jack on. Oh, 45 fucking mile an hour wind, man. This shit ridiculous. I'm saying, 257. I ain't small time. I'm taking those some weight. Shit, blowing my ass all over. Fucking look at this shit. Fucking ridiculous. Shot! Yeah, man, we messing around down here in Sykeston today. See, we got Lambert's home of the Thode Rolls. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, we come to Sykeston too. Tell no country boy nothing. That's some good food right there. Check it out. Y'all live in this area? Stop in. They actually throw the bread at you, man. You know what I'm saying?
Position. The locking jaws and the kingpin. Probablement de insecure, not kagbe or broken. The locking jaw is locked around the kingpin. And after we have the landing gear and clearance. Probablement de insecure, not kagbe or broken. There is proper space between the mud flap and the landing gear, so they don't hit each other while making turn, and the landing pad are not damaged.
Man, we got Jado over hollering at Sniper Steve. You know what I'm saying? Hey, fam, coming on back. Man, how you keep your hand? No motherfucking witnesses. Man, fam coming on back, man, to do his goddamn me training class. That's outstanding, man. I'm proud of you. You know what I'm saying? Now it's time to pay it forward. No motherfucking witnesses, boy. Y'all see it. You know what real. Man, we got Sniper Steve going in for that exam. See, you got that hand steady. Steady. Oh, you ready, bro? Hey, we ain't leaving no witnesses today, is we? Already. Let's be about it then. Let's be about it. Hey, man, how you feel? You going to Disney World now? Yeah. That boy keeping that hand, man. That's what it look like when you get that CDL. What you tell him? He say no witnesses, yeah? Goddamn. Yeah. Bon travail, man. Bon travail, yeah.